Man, it's late here, but I'm still on the road. We're still in Benue, but I'm trying to make it to Ebonyi, Abakaliki. This is one of the riskiest adventures that I've taken. Well, it is my sacrifice to the Igbo nation. This is the unified Igbos now. And I pray I make it out here safe and sound. As you can see, there's no light. There's no kind of light in these communities. No light. And I came here with the first solar street lights that it will be mounted very soon. I couldn't wait to see them mount it. But if you are out there and you love what we are doing and you want the development of our land and you want the unification of the Igbo nation, you can still contribute your little quota so that we can light up these places. Look at it. These are people. These are real people. You know, there's no light. No light. No light at all. This is a very dangerous terrain. There are headers clashes here. There are communal clashes. But it's only God. Oh, Chuku gane chai. And then in the Mulahasa Aurora, God will be leading us. And this is a very bad bridge. This is a river. Very bad bridge. No handle, no rail, no handrail. That is the ugly state of these places. Very ugly. You see? People are they are used to this kind of darkness, but it can't continue like this. People cannot continue living this way. We must help. We must help. We must help them. We must help and assist all these indigent IGBO communities that are carved into other states. You must all turn up to help. IGBO Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation is here. We are willing to be used. The Igbo aid must spread. Spread the Igbo aid. The little contributions that you can make.